Exercise 5.1, class 10th, maths. Hello children, in previous video we have learnt that what is the meaning of AP, arithmetic progression. That we have seen that in the arithmetic progression the common difference D is remain same, or the difference between each consecutive term is remaining same. So for the following problems we have to check whether these problems of the sequence we are getting in these problems are in AP or not. So let us take the first example, first problem. The taxi fare after each kilometer, when the fare is rupees 15 for the first kilometer and rupees 8 for each additional kilometer. That means the taxi fare is charged rupees 15 for completion of for first kilometer. For the first kilometer the taxi fare is charged is rupees 15, and after that the 8 rupees will be charged for each subsequent kilometer or each additional kilometer. So taxi fare for the first kilometer, after first kilometer, taxi fare after first kilometer कितना होगा, will be 15 rupees. Fare for the fare after second kilometer, fare after second kilometer, it is 15 plus 8. 15 is fixed amount, this will be charged after 1 kilometer, and for the next kilometer 8 rupees will be increased, so we'll add 8 with the 15. So the charge after completion of second kilometer will be 23 rupees. Similarly, fare after third kilometer, fare after third kilometer will be 23 plus 8. What we are doing, 2 kilometers के लिए 23 है, और third kilometer next kilometer के लिए again the 8 rupees will be added to this. So in this way the charge will be 31 rupees. And fare after fourth kilometer के बाद fare कितना हो जाएगा, 31. Again we will add 8 for the next 1 kilometer. Up to 3 kilometer the charge was 31 rupees, and for the next 4th kilometer again we will add rupees 8 to this previous charges. So the taxi fare after completion of 4 kilometers will be 39 rupees. So you can see what sequence we are getting here. We are getting the sequence of the fare is like that: 15, 23, 31, 39, and what will be the next? Can you tell me? 39 plus 8, 48, then 56, and so on. So you can see this sequence is in AP because the difference between two consecutive terms is rupees 8. Every term you can see the difference between the every term is 8. So this is an AP. The progression or the list of the numbers involved to make an arithmetic progression, or the list of the number involved to make an arithmetic progression, or the progression we are getting is the arithmetic. The above progression is arithmetic progression. Answer: the above progression is an AP, arithmetic progression. So let us see the next example. Next question: the amount of air present in the cylinder when the vacuum pump removed 1/4 of the air remaining in the cylinder at a time. So सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम देखिए, क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, सेकेंड प्रॉब्लम. लेट द इनिशियली द वॉल्यूम ऑफ द सिलेंडर, वॉल्यूम ऑफ द एयर इन द सिलेंडर इज V. Let at the initial position the volume of the air in the cylinder was V. After the first stroke, or after first stroke, the volume will be, after first stroke, initial volume was V. After first stroke, after the first stroke, after the first pumping, after the first stroke, दैट मीन्स एक बार पंप से निकालने पर इसका 1/4 एयर इसमें से निकल जाएगा. दैट मीन्स V माइनस 1/4 ऑफ V, दैट इज V माइनस V/4, और इसको हम बोल सकते हैं 4B माइनस V, दैट इज 3/4 V. आफ्टर द सेकेंड स्ट्रोक, after the second stroke, the volume of the air in the cylinder is equal to, what was the remaining volume after the first stroke? It was 3/4 V. Now from this volume, again the 1/4 of this volume will be removed. Then 1/4 of 3/4 V will be removed. That is 3/4 V minus 1/4 into 3/4 V, or which is equal to 3/4 V minus 3/16 V. LCM will be 16. 4 4s are 16, 4 3s are 12. 12V minus 3V. That is 9V upon 16. 9 upon 16V. 9 upon 16V can be written as 3 upon 4 square V. So after the second stroke, the volume of the air will remaining 3/4 square V. After the third stroke, the volume of the air in the cylinder will be, after third stroke, the volume of the air will be air in the cylinder will be, what was the volume after the second stroke? 3/4 square V minus again 1/4 of 3/4 square V. इसको जब हम आगे सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमको क्या मिलेगा? 3/4 we can take common, so 3/4 square we can take common. It will remain 1 minus 1/4 V, that is 3/4 V, 3/4 square V into 3/4, that is, इसको मैं कर देती हूँ आपका 3/4 V, 3/4 square V, 3/4 square into, again 1 minus 1/4 is 3/4, V, which is equal to 3/4 cube V. That means every time in the first step it was 3/4. So what sequence we are getting here? You can see the sequence which we are getting here. Initially the volume was V. After that it become 3/4 V. Then it become 3/4 square V. Then it become 3/4 cube V, and so on. After that what happened? 3/4 to the power 4, 3/4 to the power 4 V, or in this way the sequence will be continued, and this will not be in AP. Answer क्या आ जाएगा था? A sequence will not be in AP. So this is not AP. This is not an AP. आपका ये हो जाएगा आंसर कि ये एपी में नहीं है, क्योंकि इनके बीच का कॉमन डिफरेंस क्या हो रहा है? दिस इज नॉट द सेम. सो दिस in this situation the sequence we are getting is not in AP. क्या था प्रॉब्लम? कि इनिशियली इसका वॉल्यूम कितना था? V था, और हर बार आफ्टर एवरी स्ट्रोक इट इज 1/4 एयर इज पम्प्ड, 1/4 ऑफ द रिमेनिंग एयर इज पम्प्ड. तो जितना एक स्ट्रोक के बाद हमने 1/4 निकाल लिया, 1/4 निकालने के बाद उसमें कितना रह गया? 3/4 रह जाएगा, 3/4 बचेगा सिलेंडर में वॉल्यूम. जब अब नेक्स्ट स्टेप में जब निकलेगा तो किसका 1/4 निकलेगा? 3/4 V में से 1/4 ऑफ 3/4 V माइनस हो जाएगा. जितनी एयर है उसका 1/4, मतलब 3/4 V का 1/4 अगेन माइनस हो जाएगा. तो जब हम इसको सॉल्व करेंगे तो हमको मिलेगा ये 9/16 V, और 9/16 V को हम लिख सकते हैं 3/4 स्क्वायर V. नेक्स्ट स्टेप में कितना हो जाएगा? अब सेकंड स्टेप के बाद इसमें एयर कितनी बची है? 3/4 V स्क्वायर. फर्स्ट टाइम में 3/4 V बची थी, सेकंड टाइम में बच रही है 3/4 V स्क्वायर, और थर्ड टाइम में क्या हो जाएगा? 3/4 V स्क्वायर माइनस 1/4 ऑफ 3/4 V स्क्वायर. सो इस तरह से आप देखोगे कि जो सीक्वेंस हमको मिल रहा है वो ये मिल रहा है, जो कि एक एपी में नहीं है. Next problem, the cost of digging a well after every meter of digging, when it costs 150 for the first meter and rises by 50 rupees each subsequent meter. The cost of digging a well after every meter of digging rises by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. But there is a condition: for the first meter the cost of digging is rupees 150, then after it is increasing by rupees 50 for each subsequent meter. So let us see how we can solve it. I think I should rub this. See the third problem. The cost of digging a well for the first meter. Cost of digging a well for the फर्स्ट मीटर. फर्स्ट मीटर कितना हो जाएगा? इट इज रुपीज 150. कॉस्ट ऑफ डिगिंग फॉर सेकेंड मीटर, फॉर द सेकेंड मीटर इट विल बी 150 प्लस 50. क्या बोला जा रहा है कि आफ्टर एवरी सब्सिक्वेंट meter, the cost will be increased by ₹50. So first meter के लिए था 150, second meter के लिए इसमें ₹50 और ऐड हो जाएगा. So it will become ₹250. Sorry, it will become ₹200. Now for the third meter, the cost will be ₹200 plus ₹50, that is ₹250. So sequence, you can write the sequence. What sequence you are getting here? 150, 200, 250, and for the after the fourth meter, the cost will be, again it will increase by ₹50, so it will be ₹300, then ₹350, then it will be ₹400, and so on. So we can say that this progression is arithmetic progression. Why this is arithmetic progression? The progression is an arithmetic progression. The above progression is an arithmetic progression because the difference between each consecutive term is same, or the common difference is same. There is a common difference between each two consecutive term. Now let us move to the next question. Now second question, write first four terms of the AP when the first term is A and the common difference is D. A and D has been given to you. So we have to write the first four term. I have told you in the previous video, I have told you what is the general form of the AP. A plus D, A plus 2D, and A plus 3D. This is the general form of the AP. Now what has been given here? The A has been given to you, D has been given to you. With the help of A and D, we have to write the next four term. So what will be the first term? T1 will be A is equal to 10. Term 2 will be A plus D, that is 10 plus 10. A plus D, A की value 10 है यहाँ पर, D की value भी 10 है. In this way you are getting here 20. And T3 will be A plus 2D. A plus 2D, so A is 10. 2 into D, that is 2 into 10. So 10 plus 20, that is 30. And T4 is again A plus 3D, that is 10 plus 3 into 10. So 10 plus 3 tens are 30. 30 plus 10, which is equal to 40. So what will be the sequence here? First term answer is आपका हो जाएगा. Answer will be 10, 20, 30 and 40. We know the general form. First term ये है A. Second term, this is your first term. This is the second term. This is the third term. And this will be the fourth term. So by putting the value of A and D, we can make the next terms. Let us see the fourth problem. A is equal to -1, D is equal to half. Fourth problem. A is equal to -1 and D is equal to half. Let us confirm the problem. A is equal to -1, D is equal to half. Again, the general form of the AP is equal to general form of the AP. General form of the AP. General form of AP, arithmetic progression, is equal to A plus D, A plus 2D and A plus 3D. These are the terms: first term, second term, third term, and fourth term. So simply we have to put the value. T1 will be equal to A is equal to -1. T2 will be A plus D, that is -1 plus half. So here -2 plus 1, that is -1 by 2, and T3 is equal to A plus 2D, that is -1 -1. Simply we have to put the values. -1 plus 2 into 1 by 2. 1 by 2 cancel हो जाएगा आपका. So -1 plus 1 will be equal to 0. And T4 will be, what will be the T4? T4 will be A plus 3D, that is -1 plus 3 into 1 by 2. So 1 plus -1 plus 3 by 2. Again we will take the LCM. -2 plus 3, that is 1 by 2. So T4 is equal to 1 by 2. T3 is equal to 0. T2 is equal to -1 by 2, and T1 is equal to -1. So answer will be, what will be our answer? -1, -1 by 2, 0, 1 by 2. This will be the first fourth term of the given APs. Now, I think you have understood the problem, how we have to solve. So question number 3 and question number 5 is your homework. Let us see question number 2, how to solve question number 2. Question number 2 कैसे solve करना है? Again A is equal to -2, D is equal to 0. So T1 is equal to A is equal to -2. T2 is equal to A plus D, that is -2 plus, what is D here? -2 plus 0, that is -2. And T3 is equal to A plus 2D. A कितना है आपका यहाँ पर? A is equal to -2 plus 2 into D. D is 0. Again it will be a -2. And T4 is equal to A plus 3D. अब 0 को आप कितने भी टाइम इसमें इंक्रीज करते जाएंगे, ऑलवेज आपको क्या मिलेगा रिजल्ट? -2 plus 3 into 0. So -2 plus 0, 2, -2. तो आप देख सकते हैं T1, T2, T3, T4 all are same. So answer is equal to, the terms of the AP will be -1 by 2, -1 by 2, -1 by 2 and -1 by 2. Minus लगाना मत भूलिएगा. So in this way we have to solve the question number 2. Let us see what is our question number 3. For the following APs, write the first term and the common difference. Okay. यहाँ पे आपको सीरीज गिवन है. फर्स्ट वाला आप देखेंगे, द सीरीज हैज बीन गिवन टू यू एंड यू हैव टू फाइंड द A and D. What you have to find? What is A and what is D? With the help of the series, we have to find the A and D. Here the series is 3, 1, -1 and -3. This is our AP. So A, clearly A is equal to 3, and to find the D, अब यहाँ पे आप देखिए T2 minus T1, T2 term 2 minus term 1, that is 1 minus 3, that is -2. Again T3 minus T2, so -1 minus 1, that is -2. Again T4 minus T3, term 4, T for term, here the T4 term, so term 4 minus term 3, that is -3 minus -1. So -3, whenever you will open the bracket, minus minus plus, again you are getting 2. So every time the differences of the term is -2. Difference of each consecutive term is -2. So we can say here the D is equal to T2 minus T1. We can find the D with the T3 minus T2. we can find the D, T4 minus 2. That means the difference between any two consecutive terms. दो लगातार terms के बीच का difference हमेशा आपको मिल रहा है same. In this way, we can say the D is equal to minus 2. So answer क्या हो गया? Answer आपका हो जाएगा A is equal to minus A is equal to 3. Answer होगा A is equal to 3 and D is equal to minus 2. This will be your answer. Let us see the next. Second one will be, you will do yourself. Third we can see. Third one is, what is the how to solve the third one? 1 by 3, 5 by 3, 9 by 3, 9 by 3, 13 by 3. So to solve the question, there is a A1 is equal to 1 by 3, and again to find the D, what we have to find? What is A here and what is D here? This is you have to find. So A is equal to 1 by 3. Now to find the D, what we have to do? T2 minus T1. T2 minus T1, that is 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 5 by 3 minus 1 by 3. 4 by 3. T3 minus T2. So 9 by 3 minus 5 by 3. T3 minus T2. Term 3 minus term 2. So difference between these two terms is 9 minus 5, that is 4 by 3. Now T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3, that is 13 by 3 minus 9 by 3. Here it is 3. So again the LCM will be 3. 13 minus 9, that is 4 by 3. So you can see there is a common difference between each term is 4 by 3. So what will be your D? Here the difference, common difference D will be 4 by 3. The common answer D is equal to 4 by 3 and A is equal to 1 by 3. So I hope you can solve this problem. Now let us move for the next question. Fourth question, which of the following are in AP? If form an AP, find the common difference D and write the 3 more terms. अच्छा, आपको देखना, ये दे दी है, इनमें से आपको फाइंड करना है कि कौन सी AP में है, कौन सी AP में नहीं है, और यदि AP में है तो यू हैव टू राइट द 3 मोर टर्म्स. आपको आगे की 3 टर्म्स और लिखनी है. सो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, लेट अस टेक द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन. 2, 4, 8, 16. We have to check whether it is in AP or not. So A is equal to 2 and D is equal to 4 minus 2. That is D is equal to T2 minus T1 is equal to T3 minus T2 is equal to T4 minus T3. So we have to check whether it is true or not. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 4 minus 2, which is equal to 2. So T2 minus T1 is equal to 2. Now T3 minus T2. 8 minus 4, that is 4. And T4 minus T3 is equal to 16 minus 8, that is 8. So what we are getting here? The common difference is not the same. So answer, this is not an AP. This progression is not an AP. This is not an AP. Second one देखते हैं हम. -1 by 2, -1.2, -3.2, -5.2, -7.2. Method is same. Every time you have to follow concept, you have to use the concept. A is equal to -1 by 2, -1.2. Now the D is equal to find the D, what we have to do? T2 minus T1. That is T2 is -3.2 minus T1. T1 कितना है? minus 1 by 1.2. So when open the bracket, minus minus will become plus 1 by 2. 3.2 minus 1 by 1.2. So answer will be minus 2. And T3 minus T4. T3 minus T4, that is minus 5 by 2 minus 3 by 2. So minus 5 by 2 plus 3 by 2. Again minus 2 you will get. T4 minus T3, that is minus 7 by 2 minus 5 by 2. So here the 7 by minus 7 by 2 minus 7 by 2 plus 5 by 2, that is minus 2. So every time you can see the common difference is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. Common difference is minus 2. So we can say this is an AP. And what will be the next three terms? What will be the next three term? Here, what we are doing here? We are adding minus 2. So let us see what will be the next next three terms. Last term is minus 7 by 2, minus 7 by 2. Every time we are adding, we are subtracting minus 1 by 2. So next three terms will be, next three terms of this AP will be, last term was minus 7.2, minus 7.2 minus 1 by 2, 1.2, because the D is the common difference. So we are to get the next term, what we are doing, we are subtracting minus 1 by 2, or we are adding, or we can say we are adding 1 by 1.2. So minus 7 by 2 plus 1 by 2, that is minus 5 by 2. No, we are adding the common difference. We add the common difference. So common difference here is minus 1 by 2. Here the common difference is minus 2. Sorry, it is the common difference is minus 2. So the next three term will be minus 7 by 2 plus minus 2. Minus 7 by 2 plus minus 2. That is minus 7 by 2 minus 2. That is minus 9 by minus 9.2. Next three term, and next term will be, this is our 1, 2, 3, 4th term. So T5. This is our T5. T5 is equal to T6 will be minus 9 by 2 plus minus 2. What we are doing? Simply we are adding the common difference. Simply we are adding the common difference to get the next term to the previous term. पिछले टर्म में हम minus 2 ऐड कर रहे हैं, नेक्स्ट टर्म हमको मिल जाए. तो minus 9 by 2 minus 2, that is 11.2, minus 11.2. Next T7 will be minus 11.2 plus minus 2, that is minus 11 by 2, 11.2 minus 2, that is minus 13.2. So next three term, this answer हो जाएगा आपका. This is an app. The series will be the, this is an AP, and next three term will be minus 9 by 2 minus 11/2, 11.2 and minus 13.2. These will be the next three terms of this AP. Now let us see how to solve sixth one. Sixth question, let us see how to solve 0.2, 0.2, 0.22, 0.222, 0.2222, 4 times 2 and so on. So first of all, A is equal to 0.2 and D is equal to 0.22 minus 0.2, 0. So what will be your answer? 0.22 minus 0.22 minus 0.2. What will be your answer? 0.02. Answer will be 0.02. Now this is T2 minus T1. T3 minus T1 is equal to 0.222 minus 0.22. So your answer will be 0.002. T4 minus T3. T4 minus T3, that is 0.2222 minus 0.222. So answer will be 0.0002. So there you can see the common difference is not the D, or the difference between each consecutive term is not remaining same. Answer, the difference between two consecutive term is not remaining same, hence this is not an AP. तो ये AP का एग्जाम्पल नहीं होगा. तो आपने देखा ये सिक्स्थ वाला हमने किस तरह से सॉल्व किया है. आई थिंक सबको समझ में आया होगा कि ये हमारे पास सीरीज थी. हमको A मिल जाने के बाद हम D कैसे निकालते हैं. D हर एक टर्म के लिए D सेम होना चाहिए, चाहे हम T2 माइनस T1 से निकालें, T2 माइनस T1 करें, या T3 माइनस T1 करें, या T4 माइनस T3 करें. हमारा D जो है हर बार सेम आना चाहिए, जो कि यहाँ पर सेम नहीं है. तो हम कह सकते हैं कि ये एक AP नहीं है. अब आप देखिए हम किस तरह से 8th प्रॉब्लम को सॉल्व करते हैं. लेट अस सी. आई एम गोइंग टू रब इट ऑफ. एट्थ प्रॉब्लम. -1/2, -1/2, -1/2, -1/2 and so on. This is the progression. We have to check whether it is an AP or not. So clearly we can say A is equal to -1/2. Now D is equal to T2 minus T1, that is -1/2 minus -1/2, that is 1 minus 1/2 plus 1/2, which will be equal to 0. Now the D is equal to T3 minus T2, T3 minus T2, that is -1/2 minus -1/2. यहाँ पे नेक्स्ट टर्म हम माइनस कर देंगे. A माइनस T2 माइनस T1, T3 माइनस T2. T3 आपका 1/2 है तो -1/2, और T2 है -1/2. ब्रैकेट ओपन होगा, +1/2 हो जाएगा, अगेन ये कैंसिल होके क्या मिल रहा है, तो आपको दिख रहा है यहाँ पर कि डी हर बार क्या मिल रहा है, सेम मिल रहा है. सो A इज इक्वल टू -1/2 and D is equal to 0, and next three terms of the AP will be remaining the same. ये -1/2 -1/2 -1/2, these three will be the next three terms. Next three terms, ये आपकी AP की नेक्स्ट 3 टर्म्स होंगी. और इस तरह से आपका द सीरीज इज इन AP, द अबव प्रोग्रेशन, दिस इज इन AP. आंसर होगा दिस इज एन AP and the next three terms are -1/2, -1/2 and -1/2. These will be the next three terms of the AP. Let us see how to solve the question number 5th. क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th हम देखते हैं किस तरह से हमको क्वेश्चन नंबर 5th को सॉल्व करना है. 5th क्वेश्चन आप देख सकते हैं यहाँ पर 3 + √2, 3 + 2√2, 3 + 3√2. सो आप यहाँ पर देखेंगे A इज इक्वल टू 3 and T2 - T1, दैट इज 3 + √2 - 3. आप देखिए 3 से 3 कैंसिल होगा, आंसर विल बी √2. नाउ T3 - T2, T3 - T2 आपको क्या मिल जाएगा, 3 + 2√2 - 3 + √2. सो 3 + 2√2, 3 + 2√2 - 3 + √2. देखिए आप ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे, 3 + 2√2 - 3 - √2. आप जब इसमें से इसको कैंसिल हो जाएगा, 3 में से 3, 2√2 - √2, दैट इज √2. सो आप देख सकते हैं कि कॉमन डिफरेंस हर बार क्या मिल रहा है आपको. नाउ अब आप इसको चेक कर लीजिए, T4 - T3 करके देखिएगा. T4 - T3 क्या मिलेगा आपको, 3 + 3√2 - 3 + 2√2, 3 + 2√2. ब्रैकेट में ओपन करेंगे इसको, ये पूरी टर्म है, ये टर्म पूरी माइनस होगी. तो जब हम ब्रैकेट ओपन करेंगे हमको मिलेगा 3 + 3√2 - 3 - 2√2. 3 से 3 कैंसिल होगा, 3√2 - 2√2, दैट इज अगेन √2. तो कॉमन डिफरेंस आप देख सकते हैं हर बार आपको क्या मिल रहा है, √2. नेक्स्ट टर्म्स क्या हो जाएंगे आपकी, T5 क्या हो जाएगा, यहाँ पे T5 क्या हो जाएगा, T4 + √2, दैट इज 3 + 3√2 + √2. यहाँ पे हो जाएगा 3 + 4√2. T6 क्या होगा, T5 + √2. आप देखिए हर बार यहाँ पे √2 इंक्रीज हो रहा है. 3 + √2, 3 + 2√2, 3 + 3√2, so 3 + 4√2, 3 + 5√2. So these will be the next 3 terms here. ये next 3 terms, 3 + 6√2. इस तरह से आपकी हर बार √2 ऐड हो रहा है और नेक्स्ट आपको टर्म मिल जा रही है. तो T6 आपको मिल गया. T7 भी आप निकाल सकते हैं. T7 will be T6 + √2, that is ये आपको T6 मिल रहा है 3 + 5√2, 3 + 5√2. तो T7 मिलेगा 3 + 5 रूट 2 प्लस रूट 2 दैट इज 3 प्लस 6 रूट 2, ये आपका T7 हो जाएगा। T6 में रूट 2 ऐड कर देंगे, T6 के लिए T5 में रूट 2 ऐड करेंगे, T5 के लिए T4 में रूट 2 ऐड करेंगे, बिकॉज देयर इज अ कॉमन डिफरेंस, D इज रूट 2। ये रूट 2 आपका D मिल जाएगा, D इज इक्वल टू हो जाएगा, D इज इक्वल टू रूट 2 मिल रहा है। तो इस तरह से आप इसको सॉल्व कर लेंगे। थैंक यू चिल्ड्रन। इन द नेक्स्ट वीडियो विल learn the next exercise.